we are closer to bringing back other extinct animals than we are dinosaurs, namely the woolly mammoth. Scientists believe we have all the DNA we need of that species, the results of a well-preserved specimen discovered in 2013. Now efforts are underway to bring the species back. They'll do this by inserting the DNA into an elephant egg, and using a surrogate elephant as the mother. Whether this turns out to be more successful than attempts to revive previous animals remains to be seen. Similar efforts have been proposed for the extinct passenger pigeon as well. Mosquitoes weren't the only creatures to feed off the blood of dinosaurs, and then to get trapped in amber. Researchers working with ancient amber thought to be nearly 100 million years old have discovered something that sounds like the beginning of the new chapter in the Jurassic Park franchise, a host of ticks which appear to have feasted on dinosaur blood. It's the first direct evidence we have of the parasites feeding on dinosaurs. It's also the oldest evidence of ticks acting as parasites, feeding on other creatures. Enrique Paleva, lead author of the study, said the following: "Ticks are infamous blood-sucking parasitic organisms, having a tremendous impact on the health of humans, livestock, pets and even wildlife. But until now, clear evidence on their role in deep time has been lacking." Inside other chunks of Burmese amber, the researchers found the remains of new tick species they believe fed off the dinosaurs, as two appeared they'd been feeding from a nest of a feathered dinosaur. The new tick species is named Dracula terrible tick. One particularly bloated specimen was so swollen with blood that it was 8 times the size of its non-English companions. Unfortunately or fortunately depending on your perspective, the Jurassic Park scenario where DNA is extracted from an ancient bloodsucker trapped in amber is no more possible with these ticks than it would be with mosquitoes. DNA molecules themselves degrade far too quickly for remains to still contain a genetic code. The blood inside the tick that died shortly after feasting on what was presumably a Cretaceous dinosaur, something like a velociraptor, had been damaged enough by other materials that it was impossible to identify whatever made up its last meal. But we now know that the extinct species are the same source of parasites. That causes us all kinds of problems today were up to the same thing back then. And whatever caused the final extinction of the dinosaurs, we know that ticks managed to thrive through the event.